This is Google Pixel 7, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the network. We highly recommend that you use a Wi-Fi for this one. Then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Already? Now we can go ahead and simply launch the app. Next, tap on this blue continue button. Decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera. I'll skip this step. Then choose if you want to set Opera as your default browser, which I'll skip as well. And finally, on this page you can customize the permissions and access that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.